Okay, it says use bracket notation to find the last character in a string. In order to get the last letters of a string, you can subtract one of the string's length. So it says, for example, if var first name equals Charles, you can get the value of the last letter of the string by using first name. So you can get the last letter of the string by using first name brackets first name dot length minus 1. So it says in order to get the last letter of a string, you can subtract 1 from the string's length. So it gives you an example down there. So it says first name, which is Charles, put in brackets first name length minus 1. So this length actually would be what, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you do 6 minus 1, which gives you 5. So it will be the fifth index character of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, so I'm not working that out. Right, so first name dot length 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, length, it gives you the length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 7. Minus 1 gives you 6. And for index notation, you count from 0. So then you do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which should give you S. Okay, so we need to not get confused with the index notation and the dot length property. Dot length property doesn't start from count from 0, right? That's what I just worked out. So it says use bracket notation to find the last character in the last name variable. So it wants you to find the last name character. So it wants you to put in brackets last name dot length, and then you want to minus 1 from it, and that should give you the last letter, which is E. Put a space between this. So let's run this test. Code and spray.